Now this is just a little quick video because Wim in West Africa wrote to me, said he's having a bit of trouble changing the main bearings on a 300 TDI crankshaft in situ. It's very tricky to do. It's a messy mucky job to do it while it's in the car. So he's got the oil sump off and he's trying to change the bearing. So just to sort of help him out a little bit, I've got a crank. This actually is a steel crank from the HS 2.8 type of idea, but I haven't got any main bearings. These are obviously big ends, but the mains I haven't got any, so I'll have to just sort of give a demonstration with some big end shells that I've got. Obviously they go here, but we want to get the bearings out here. Now the thing is, you can change this one, this one, this one and this one, but you can't change that one because you have to take the gearbox out and the clutch to get to the oil seal to take that off. It's very, very difficult to drop the cap. Alright, it can be done, but it's the right mess about. You might as well just take the bloody engine out. So how do we get them out very quickly? Get a split pin or something similar. So say like a split pin like that, and beat the bejesus out of it till it goes like that. Put it in the hole. I'll just use this one as an example. Put it in like that, and you want the bearing cap to face that away. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so this can't be any higher. The bent out piece of clip must be a bit lower. That needs a bit more work, and the tang needs to be here so that when you turn your crank it'll pull the bearing in, if you see what I mean. When you turn it, we're talking about this one, but because I haven't got a shell I'll have to show you on this one. And as you turn it, it will push the bearing round like that. Alright, it's worth a go, you know, it really is worth a go, but quite honestly I'll just take the engines out. I don't even bother with that. It's because once you take the engines out you're alright. Now I did mess about with a bolt, but a bolt's not very easy to grind to that angle. It's like a 7. You could do it with a bent nail I suppose, but I don't have any nails. I just have nuts and bolts. Best of luck. You'll need it. See ya.